Hi, I'm Monsignor Michael Vigali, and today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy choice, tuna ceviche. We have fresh sashimi grade tuna that we'll be cutting into smaller slices, and as the slices are cut and prepared, they will absorb the marinade of the olive oil, the lime juice, and the spices that we're preparing. This is a very healthy dish, and especially a good dish for summer because everything is fresh. I found this recipe once when I was preparing a dinner for St. Anne Home that I had auctioned off as part of their fundraising event every year, Harvest for Haiti. Once the tuna and the avocado are in the bowl, then we'll be mixing the marinade, which will then be poured over the tuna and avocado. Next, we'll take some freshly squeezed lime juice, olive oil. This olive oil is a very bold olive oil. It comes from Chile. Some ginger, garlic, and we're going to add a little bit of jalapeno pepper. And we're only going to use a half of the jalapeno. And then we'll add this to the mixture and stir it up. It's important to have a healthy lifestyle because as we grow older, our bodies need healthy food. There's an old saying, you are what you eat. And unfortunately, if we eat only processed foods, it can have an impact upon our lives. Once it's on the plate, we'll add a little bit of cracked pepper, Himalayan sea salt. So as we're focusing on a healthy lifestyle with this issue of accent on the air, this is a perfect dish for us to be making. Delicious. Tastes like another bite.